Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add logo to your Big Cartel store. First, head over to the Big Cartel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, click on Account and find the Shop Design section. Then, click Go to Shop Designer to open the design editor. Inside the Shop Designer, locate the Header section. This is where you can customize important elements such as your store logo and header images. To update your logo, click on the Logo area and upload a new image from your computer. Make sure your logo is clear, high quality, and matches your brand. You can also add or update a homepage image if your theme supports it. Simply select the Image Upload option and choose a picture that represents your store and products. Once you've finished making your changes, preview your store to see how everything looks. If you're satisfied with the results, save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited the header in your Big Cartel store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.